Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very, very nice move. I mean, I think everybody would agree that where it was right here, when it closed on Thursday, and all of a sudden where it is. Sure, it pulled back some from its highs, but still, relatively speaking, from where it was to where it is right now, any rational person would say, yeah, today was a very nice move. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. So what I'm going to do is just adjust this line up here that I've used in the past so we can just kind of try to keep this as clean as possible. And in my opinion, the key level is right there at the $9 mark. Why is $9 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. I agree. So with that in mind, think about 9. Any sort of breaks below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price goes down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have a set of lows right there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, I'm just quantifying that statement progress as the $9 mark. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, this 9.15 mark, which is being denoted by the red line, you can see is acting relatively stubborn. But again, in the spirit of keeping this as clean as possible from a presentation standpoint, the level we'll just focus on now is that pink line, which on my chart denotes the very famous 200 period moving average. So the price did temporarily get above it there during the first 30 minutes, but that didn't last very long. So that will be the near-term level to watch going into Monday. Right now, valid at $9.25. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice way to close out the week. Now it's just a question of, can the price build upon this momentum next week? We will see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.